Okay, welcome to the personal property tour for 2 Spoutwells Drive in Scone. It's an amazing 4-bedroom, 2-reception detached bungalow sitting on an elevated corner plot with a garage and off-street parking to the side. Let me take you on the tour and tell you all about this property. So, as we start over in this area here, as I said before, you've got off-street parking to the side, you've got a gate going around with the rear garden, you've got a garage as well which goes all the way to the back, which is a good workshop area to the rear. Elevated plot as we go along the front, and bungalow, garden to the side as well. We're going to go in the front door and take you on the tour around the property, so hold tight. And I'll tell you all about it as we go round. We'll end up out the back garden as well, and then we can talk about further details. For anybody that doesn't know the area, I'm going to talk about that as well later on. What's in the area in relation to everything else. So nice welcome in the hall as we come in. It's got plenty of space in here as well, that's what I like about it. Plenty of storage as well. Off to my left hand side first of all, or my right hand side, sorry. We have got the first of the double bedrooms overlooking the front garden. As I say, the good thing about it's an elevated plot, so you're no right on in line with the pavement. Easily get a double bed out there. You've got storage in your wardrobe built in over there. Probably get a chest of drawers over there as well. And into the next double bedroom. So again, a good sized double bedroom. Double wardrobes to the back there. Then across into the next one, again, built in wardrobe and drawers. Plenty of space in here overlooking to the rear of the garden, which is that patio area. We're going to talk about that when we get out there. And then the next double bedroom in here. So this is the final one. Again, the built-in wardrobes and drawers. You've got over here. Easily get a double bed in there quite comfortably. Now, bathroom. Thermostatic overhead shower. You've got your bath as well. You've got plenty of activity space in here. When you get out of the bath or the shower, WC's here, but there's also an added bonus, a WC around the corner here. So WC for guests and visitors in here as well, which is ideal. I'm going to go into the first of the reception rooms to the front, which is the living room. So good sized living room. You can see that bay window to the front there. As we come round, the window to the side, which brings in a lot of natural light. This is a bright room. Definitely a bright room, I would say. Off to the rear there, we've got access into your dining room. Now, you can get access from the kitchen as well, but you can also get access to the kitchen from the hall. So, good sized dining room off to the rear here. Now, there's a temptation, the kitchen's next door, to take that wall away and open plan this to a big open plan kitchen dining room. So, good sized kitchen in here already. So, more than likely a breakfast and kitchen. But you can, as I said, you can turn it into a dining room kitchen by open planning this, or you can just keep it as it is. So you've got 2 separate areas. So let me explain. Solid wood worktops, Belfast sink, space for your cooker. You have plenty of cupboard space all the way through around here. I would be tempted to take that cupboard away in there and have an American style fridge freezer. Maybe even have a dining table here as well. And that would then repurpose that to something else if you want. Possibly a family room, a playroom, anything like that. Looking out to the side garden. Off to the rear, you've got the cellar area to the rear as we come in, the back entrance vestibule. You've got a storage cupboard in there. This is the system condenser boiler, so condenser boiler, energy efficient there. And as we go to the back garden, this garden sits in the sun all day long, but see the size of the plot. We'll go to the side garden first. This is the rewilding area. This is brilliant for the bees and that. You definitely want to encourage the bees into here. And then as we come along the side, you can smell the beautiful plants. So good sized side garden as well. And as we go back into the rear garden, as I said, elevated in here, brilliant play area. If you've got a young family in there, they would be in their element over here. Good seating area to sit in the sun. Drying area. You've got your, if you're green thumbed, then that's the place for you to be. Greenhouse. As we go all the way around here, overall, and then we go down here. There's the patio area out to the rear. So the sun We're sitting round about 11:30, 12 o'clock, sun's here, so it's going to go up, come up here, It's going to go all the way around. See how high that is in relation to everything. So it's literally going to sit on this garden more or less all day long. It's going to go down somewhere over here. Perfect sun trap over here. Definitely. I'll be having my coffee in there in the morning with my seating, just relaxing. And then towards the evening I'll probably be sitting up there as well. And it's all nice and enclosed. Bit of privacy here. If you're looking to downsize, this could be the perfect property for you. From a big huge house to this could be a good starter to downsize to. If you're looking for the perfect family home, it could be for you as well. Definitely. Okay, let me take a seat. And I'll just recap and I'll talk about the area for anybody that doesn't know. So, 4-bedroom, 2-reception, detached bungalow. You can see it's very spacious inside, lots of storage as well. It's on that elevated corner plot, substantial corner plot. You've got that garage off to the side, the drive off to the side for off-street parking as well, a workshop possibly to the rear of the garage. You've got this wonderful garden that sits in the sun. I could sit here all day, by the way. The sun is beating down on me right now, and I'm like, wow, I can feel it. It's absolutely fantastic. It's going to be a great property for someone. Okay, so where is it in relation to everything else? There's a woods up the road. If you've got animals, if you've got pets and dogs and stuff like that, they're going to love it up there to take them for a walk. You'd probably go running as well, to be honest. Maybe mountain biking, I don't know. Good cycling routes in this area as well. Primary school's just round the corner. Local Spar convenience stores just round the corner as well. Main high school is in Perth itself, which is about a couple of miles away, and the main shopping facility is in Perth as well. If you need more details, you can click on the link above or below to see the photographs and descriptions for this property. If you need to contact us, you can message us direct on this post, or you can call us on 01334 65 42 21. And until next time, guys, I'm Jim Parker for 5 Properties TV.